How to pipe an armhole with bias. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Take a look at this is an off-shoulder flayed gown. So let me show you how you can pipe this armhole with bias. Okay, so guys, this is the already cut outfit. That's a gown. This is the armhole. Like I said, it's an off-shoulder flayed gown. This is the armhole. So this tutorial is for beginners. Yes, if you cannot use your facing, if you cannot use lining, and the only option you have is bias, let me show you how you can achieve that. So this is the bias you're making use of. This is the gown. You place it on the right side, just like I'm doing. You see this bias? You see the way it is? Are you seeing it? So you place it this way on the right side, making sure that bias, the tip, is equal to that of the gown. That's that place you're about to sew. Then you place it this way on your machine. Do you see how I place it? Okay, so now you start sewing. You see that place? You see how I'm sewing it? If you notice something, you know that the bias and the material itself, they are equal. Okay, so you continue sewing. As you're sewing, you're adjusting it with your hand. Okay, like I said, this is for beginners. Okay, so when you're done, you cut it out. You cut out the excess remaining. So the next thing now is to turn it to the wrong side. Yes, you see how beautiful it's looking. You turn it to the wrong side. So when you turn it to the wrong side, this is what you have. So you fold it this way. When you fold it, you make sure that the bias is not showing on the other side. Okay, you fold it like this. Make sure it's not showing on the other side. Do you see it? Are you seeing it? Okay, so you take it back to the machine and you sew. Now while you are sewing here, now you have to be very careful. You are sewing at the tip of the bias. Okay, you sew this way. Please, as you sew, use your hand to control it, just at the tip. At this stage, you need to be very careful so that you won't mix it. That's it. It's very simple. So if you don't know how to pipe your armhole with bias, this is it. Even your neckline, you can use bias to pipe your neckline. It's the same method. Okay, so guys, this is it. We are done. Was this video helpful? Let me know. Okay, so guys, thank you so much for watching. This is how to pipe your armhole with bias. See you guys in my next class. Thank you.